I hope that you guys are stacking cash, getting your USDC ready to deploy, because you are going to hear it first. Tell you the markets are going to come down into a bottom. Bitcoin is 20,000, 22,000, somewhere right around there, and then it's going to go up. You heard it here first. All right, guys, it is Greg again. I want to go over KDA. I've been investigating this a little bit closer, and this again is another coin you want to pay attention to. This is interesting. I like this coin, and I'm going to make some changes to it now. This coin has gone down. KDA has gone down 95%. This is a good coin. One of the reasons why a lot of people don't like this coin because of all the inflation. Well, the inflation is not going to be for, it's going to have that, but it's going to be down the road. So we're not worried about that right now. We're going to be concerned with the pump that's going to come right here. Boom. That's what we're going to be worried about. And you're going to be out before that inflation takes effect. Okay. Could it have a little bit of effect on it here in this wave? It could, but I wouldn't be too concerned with it. You know why? Because they're gonna see this going up and up and up, and they're all gonna pile in there, and all that momentum from all that buying, when that happens, will be flooding in there, and it's gonna pump it up. Just like I did over here, guys, right over here. I'm gonna change this. Now I've looked at this and studied this a little bit closer. It did do a 5-wave move here. Okay, so I'm happy with this count right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you can see there's a divergence right there. That was just part of the third wave. And I've been noticing with KDA likes to do this type of move in here. So you could say this was like an ABC or something, but it's not. This is the first wave, and this all was a third wave. So you can see a third wave peak right there, and it went up for a fifth wave. Now let's take a look at the retracement on that. You want to see something here that's interesting with this KDA? Look at that. Right at that, halfway down to that point, 618 is where it's headed to, and already pierced through that. Let me take that red line off. That's the bottom of it. So here's the deal with KDA. You want to be careful with it. I think, in my opinion, that it is trying to find a bottom. That's what I think. There's a probability with KDA. This is a 1, and this is a second wave. It's coming down. It's going to come down close to here. So that's what you want to pay attention to with this coin. So if it does break this low, the next one is going to be right here at 83 cents. Okay. So there's 2 areas to watch for on KDA. It's going to be the $1.46 area, and then down this area to the 81 cents. If it breaks that low right here, it's coming down to here. So this area right here, guys, is what I'm going to show you where it's coming. This right here. This area right there. You see that spot right there. So if its bottom is not right there, KDA's bottom is more than likely going to be right here, guys. So I'm going to give you a heads up. You're going to hear it here first. Where you're going to go. That's going to be the next bottom. So, I mean, even if you got coins at $1.46 or something like that, this is how you got to plan and strategize all this out. But that's going to be a very deep correction for this coin, because it's gone down right now. It has gone down 95%, guys. If it goes down here, that'll be a 97% retracement. So it is possible. It's a cryptocurrency, so it can go down there. But the other good news about this coin that I like, see how deep it went right down here? Look at that on the daily. Look how deep that went on the RSI. Check this out, guys. Look at the weekly. Look at the weekly RSI. This whole leg, you see that whole leg right there? And you see that? It took it all out, and it's up here. That's good. That's good. It could come down lower, but I'm saying it's showing good signs of a healthy recovery or a healthy correction. So this is the area right here, and this is the area. Okay, so now the reason why I say the correction could be over, here's a 3-wave swing, and this is a 3-wave swing. And then there was another, if you come out here, let me go to the 12-hour. I'll show you guys something here. So here's the X wave, right? 3-wave swing up, and that was the X wave. See the peak on the RSI right there, guys? That's that peak. And it swung up to that X wave. So, but here's a 3-wave move, and then up, down, and up. a three-wave move, okay? So here's what's interesting about this move, okay? You see how high the peak is on that RSI right there? Here's the peak right there. So this is 3, 3, and then it zoomed down on a 5, like a flat, but it didn't go high enough. But here's what's interesting, that I was researching this coin and the technicals. You can see that I don't have a life, guys. I look at charts for fun. You believe that? I look at charts for fun, all for you guys. Look at that. It hit the 2.618 perfectly. That's an expanded flat area, but it didn't make it. So it's not, what I'm saying is it's not doing Elliott wave rules. So that's another reason why this W, here's your 3 right here, 3, 3, and here's your 3. So this is done. So this is done, and either KDA is making a 1, 2 and up for a 3. Okay, so if it can come down and go on like somewhat of a third wave and do, so what it might do, guys, this is what it might do. So say this is a 1, it comes down for 2, it might do like a diagonal like this. Okay, and then this correction here, it'll be a 1 and then it'll go down for a 2. So you're not going to miss anything. This is just a coin you want to pay attention to. You know, it has a very strong community. That's one of the reasons why. One of the things I do look at for a coin is community. I put that higher, probably higher on the list than all the fundamentals. Community is very, very important for these coins, because big community, more buyers, more people pushing it. It's common sense. More people to get them pushed through the gates. Oh yeah, go buy this coin, KDA. Look at it. It's going to moonshot. Don't miss out. You know, that FOMO is strong, and there's people going there. Oh, he said to buy it. This guy on YouTube said to buy it. I'm going to go buy it. So I'm not telling you to buy it right now. If you do, you want to have a strategy, but I'm going to pay attention to see if it comes down here and it does a shot out of there. So I was just looking at the, let me see this leg right here that it did. You know, there's a couple ways that you could look at that, because there is divergence on there. It's just that fifth wave didn't break that. It didn't break it. So that's the issue right here with this move. 1, 2, you could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but see, it didn't break it. But maybe it could be a what would be a 3-wave move. You can have an impulse 3-wave move up like this. So it's a 3-wave move to make the 1 in the diagonal. Okay, like I was showing you before, a 1 comes down for a 2, a 3, and down for this 4 and 5. And these will be 3-wave moves. Those are legal. So just like this move here, this is say where it ends right here. 1, 2, 3, probably 1, 2, 3, something like this. This is going to end up being a 3-wave move. It might have ended right there, to be honest with you guys. You know, that's the highest peak on the RSI. It just looks like it could have ended right there. It's just like a truncated 5th wave. That's why it could be an impulse wave, guys. I would pay real close attention to this coin. I really would. I think it's trying to form a bottom, guys. You know, if it's not right here at $1.40, 42, then it's going to be right here at 81 cents. But there could be a chance if it goes up a little bit more and it gets some space up here, when Bitcoin goes down, it'll probably still maintain that low and it's going to get out of here. So, and it has a deep enough correction, 95% down from its top, and then, you know, 97% to here. And the RSI looks really good. You go back out to that weekly, you know, you look at that, that's looking pretty good, guys. So I would just pay attention to KDA, the chart and stuff, and the price action, see where it's going to go. Because once it's done down here, guys, and then Bitcoin and Ethereum go bullish, this coin is going to go from $1.77 back to the previous high. There's a 1,427%. Okay, and if Ryan Mata really pushes his coin, which you know that he will. He's at KDA Maxi. Let's see where he wants his coin to go. Okay, let's see where Ryan Mata wants this thing to go. He's going to want to see, you know, let's say it goes down here, 88 cents, be conservative and get a little move up there, 43 bucks. You know, that right there, it could go to $43 if the markets are bullish. So if it does that, and you got it down here, now you're looking at a 5,500%. So there's a potential right here, guys, for another coin for some massive gains. And it still has a lot of space. You know, KDA is still good to go as long as it maintains that low, guys, right there. So it still has quite a bit of space. I mean, not for cryptocurrency really, but it still has from here to there. Unlike some other coins that are just holding on for dear life right here. And if they break that low, then, you know, they could go to zero. I don't see this one doing that. I just don't. RSI has gone down really deep. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.